Good grief, he got way out here. Sometimes when the squirrels are thin, he'll stretch out a little ways farther than normal. It's not usual for him to get out farther than I can hear him, but he was just barely on the audible end of my hearing spectrum. Let's hope whatever this is on the outside. Probably up here there's some shagbark hickories. I've been finding most of the squirrels around the hickories and the black walnuts. One of those walks that was all uphill. Yeah, he's at the base of a big shagbark. Oh no. It's a tree with the top let out of it. There's a hole in this maple. I bet it timbered over to here. Yeah. Just about guarantee it went right up there. I'll knock on it and see if I can get anything to come out. So I actually found a squirrel up in the very tip top of this giant shagbark. It's going to be hard to get to, but I'll try and get it moved around and get a decent shot. Not my best shooting performance, but I think I got him. Oh, don't tell me he's hung up. Here he comes. Yeah, it's a lot of work for a squirrel, but it's a lot of fun this late in the season when you can get them to stay in the tree for that length of time. And this is a big tree. It's hard to spot them and even harder to get them out. Good job, boy. Bring it here. So Double D just treed again. don't know if we'll have enough light to see this one. Sounds like another thunder cell is moving in. May not be real confident on it. What do you think, bud? You think you got him? Okay. Looks like he settled in on this big gnarly tulip poplar. I feel like we've treed here before and it's had a hole in it. We'll look it over.